Hey.
Papa. Papa, you get this one where could give me for school. Papa, me, I no feed one. Papa.
Sit down now.
Okay, Papa.
Tell me whatever it is and I'll answer you.
Okay, Papa. Papa, number one, then say this thing. The racket game are dash. A. Hockey and tennis. B. Tennis and table tennis. C. Table tennis and golf.
Leave it. Don't go ahead. The answer is A.
Okay, Papa.
Papa, is that how you think? Remove this.
Okay. Papa, I don't even know.
You don't even know?
Yes, Papa.
Go ahead now.
Papa, number two.
Number two,
yes.
Say
the game of table tennis was previously known as A. Ping pong. Peanut. B. Ping pong. C. Hockey handball. Then D. And tennis.
The answer is A.
Okay, Papa. Then number three, Papa, they say the game of table tennis was found in the year A. 1951. B. 17.
The answer is A.
Okay.
Put it A.
All this one you say, oh, na A. Papa, I will get them, Papa.
If it is A, I will tell you it is A. If it is not A, I will tell you it is not A. All this while you've been telling me, all the questions you have been mentioning, the answers are A. That's why I said it is A.
Papa,
Yes.
Papa, me, I'm not sure. Me, I don't go send my book.
You don't know how to be sure because
I go feel am, Papa.
you cannot fail it.
Papa,
any teacher that think bad on that thing did not go to school. I said it. What are you even trying to say? When I took my school cert in 1995, I made A's in my listen. Is it A's? I passed it. I passed it. What are you even trying to say? Tell me. Mmakwara, what is making you to cry? Wait, what happened to your hand?
Papa, you don't want to do my assignment. Papa, no trying, Papa.
I understand. Anytime you are doing assignment, I should know me.
Yes, Papa.
Why?
Papa, you not man. Because you do my assignment, everything. Martin, I can't flog me, Papa.
You make your subject. That means you pass it.
Papa, what? I not man because of Martin flog me and break my hand.
Any of your auntie that flogs you because you made because of that thing I told you, did not go to school.
Papa, who does not go to school? When you are drinking your shop and doing assignments, you don't know how to fail it.
Wait, Mmakwara, am I the actual person that told you what you wrote?
Yes, Papa.
When?
When you are taking your chocolate.
Yesterday.
Yes, Papa.
So you saw me when I was drinking my chocolate, and you choose the time to give me your assignment to do for you.
Papa, it's not that I should bring it and you do it for me.
Mmakwara, come on, get it right. It's the cause of everything. How can you be serious?
It's not treat my hand, Papa.
I will treat your hand. You are the one to bear the pain. I will treat the hand. You will bear the pain. Benson, what rubbish is that? Somebody is taking his time to relax, and you are disturbing him because of your assignment, and you say they will flog you, flog it out of you. But even another assignment I helped my son to do, he failed it.